And we are just from the Stegersee, which is connected here. But we'll check if there is a Stegersee as well.
Yeah.
Siellä ei olla niin ollut rikosvuori Helsingissä vuosimonien Finland. And we have to check the year later. It was December 1802, built by Otis originally, and it will be inspected in 2025. Probably built around the late 1920s originally. Side here is MP4 core levels. The Stegersee has MP6 core levels. The Stegersee had its machine upgraded in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Let's see here. So, yeah, it's all probably also.
Yeah.
2 lines.
Yes.
Because the machine is upgraded also here.
Mm.
That was needless.
Yes.
Yes, if it wasn't, then we would have taken 3 lines.
Yeah.
Also back only.
Mm.
And the gate looks like it was slightly altered too.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin vähän suktaa, että meidän eteenpäin Suomen hissiurakointi.
And the dog started barking, but probably doesn't matter.
Yeah.
The dog is out of its mind.
Yeah.
It's out of its mind. But it was very beautiful too.
Yeah.
Just some needless barking.
Yeah.
Because it had no reason to do it, it was out of its mind.
Yeah.
And fortunately there are no benches in the cabs. But Otis didn't put them always.
That's
That's a technology.